Let's learn Japanese. Today's topic is this and that. Let's get started. This one.
これ、これ、
That one.
それ、それ、
That one.
あれ、あれ、
Which one?
どれ、どれ、
This.
この、この、
That.
その、その、
That.
あの、あの、
Which.
どの、どの、
Let's practice. Repeat after me. This is a pen.
これは、ペンです。これは、ペンです。
That is a book.
それは、本です。それは、本です。
Quick check. That one.
あれ、
Which one?
どれ、
Subscribe for more Japanese lessons. Next time, we'll learn here and where in Japanese. I'm preparing online Japanese lessons. Thanks for watching.